Hi everyone, welcome to Easy English with Evie. Today we are going to learn about possessive of nouns and the classroom. Let's start. Possessive of nouns. Penguin plus apostrophe s plus t-shirt equals the penguin's t-shirt. The t-shirt of the penguin's t-shirt. Sarah plus apostrophe s plus mother, Sarah's mother. The mother of Sarah, Sarah's mother. Singular noun plus apostrophe s plus noun, singular or plural. The dog's house, Nick's books. Singular noun ends with s, adds apostrophe s. Chris's ball, the walrus's tusks. Plural noun ends with s, adds apostrophe. The twins' parents. Plural noun does not end with s, add apostrophe s. The children's ball. Pronunciation of possessive of nouns. Ending in voiceless consonants. For example, p, t, k are pronounced as s. Books, words. S, books, words. Ending in voiced consonants. For example, b, d, g are pronounced as z. Dog's house. Z, dog's house. Ending in sibilants, s, z, ch, j, sh, zh are pronounced as is. Buses, wheels. Buses, wheels. Roses, thorns. Birches, bark. Midge's doll. Fish's house. Garage's location. Is, garage's location. Ending in vowels, a, e, I, o, u, y are pronounced as z. Boys, toys, trees, bark. These sentences show possession with nouns. Vera's book is on the couch. The boy's uncle is from Vietnam. The girl's brother is 5 years old.